Welcome to the instructions video for the Mortgage Monthly Payment Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you determine exactly how much your monthly mortgage payment will be, including principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, so you can plan your home purchase with confidence. To use this calculator, start by entering your home purchase price in the first field. Next, input your down payment amount or percentage. Then enter the annual interest rate your lender has quoted you. Select your loan term, typically 15 or 30 years. You can also add estimated annual property taxes and homeowners insurance costs for a complete monthly payment picture. For our example, we'll enter a home price of $350,000, a down payment of $70,000, an interest rate of 6.5%, and a 30-year loan term. After clicking Calculate, you'll see your monthly principal and interest payment, plus your total PTI payment if you included taxes and insurance. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.